Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chicken sandwich. First, select 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, each weighing around 6 ounces. Season them generously with salt, black pepper, and any other spices you enjoy like paprika or garlic powder. Next, gather all your sandwich components, including your bread, lettuce, tomato, and sauces, so everything is ready to assemble. Now let's cook that chicken to perfection. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, place the seasoned chicken breasts in the pan and cook for approximately 4 to 6 minutes per side. Ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. After cooking, remove the chicken from the skillet and let it rest for 5 minutes. This keeps it juicy. With your chicken rested, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Start by lightly toasting your bread. This adds a wonderful crunch and prevents sogginess. Next, spread a generous amount of your favorite sauce like mayonnaise or a spicy aioli on both slices of bread. Finally, layer your perfectly cooked chicken, fresh lettuce, ripe tomato slices, and any other toppings you love, creating a truly satisfying sandwich. Your incredible chicken sandwich is now complete. For easier handling and a nice presentation, I recommend cutting your sandwich in half. Serve it immediately alongside some crispy potato chips or a refreshing side salad for a complete meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.